That was one of those cool stories right there, Tanya. You were talking about the Battle of the Bulge, and as you're reading that, working as a forward scout and observer. Wow. All right, you're going to notice a theme here. We're going to start with Amanda Mack, who's celebrating her 35th birthday. Amanda, a very happy birthday to you. Be safe out there and enjoy your birthday. She's in Galena.
All right. Kimberly Riddle turning 39 years old this year. Her birthday was actually yesterday, but we're going to celebrate it the rest of the week. She's from Chanute.
And Kimberly kind of starts our theme off right there. You'll notice, you just remember she's from Chanute. We're going to run down to Chetopa, and that's where Amy Castle is celebrating her 46th birthday. A proud mom. Love that shirt right there. Happy birthday, Amy.
All right, and hey, let's go back to Chanute for Norma Crabtree's birthday. Norma is 94 years old this year. I hope you have a wonderful day.
And that's a cool family picture right there as well. Happy birthday, Miss Norma. Our own, who that is, Cameron Terrell, celebrating a birthday as well. He is one of our production assistant, news assistants and production assistants. Cameron, a very happy birthday to you.
All right.
I like that picture. I like how the red chairs really pop on that.
Okay. Wonder where that was taken. Let's see, and we've got another birthday where we're heading back to Chanute again.
See, Chanute is the place to be.
Yeah, Brenda Osborne turning the big 5-0 this weekend. Happy birthday to Brenda. And as I understand, she's the owner of Brenda's Dance, and these birthday wishes come from the crew and dance families.
As a matter of fact, Brenda, if possible, we may get Tanya to do a birthday dance for you. And then Brenda can critique. How about that? A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this February the 17th. Or perhaps just like Kimberly Riddle, you're celebrating from the 16th and we're going to continue to carry it over. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
I just want to say, Brenda, I'll do your birthday dance, but you don't have to do it. No, not necessary. All right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Now, Tanya, you've heard of a murder of crows, correct?
I have.
Well, what if I told you in St. Louis